Did you ever had that positive feeling that now everything is gonna change? That everything is gonna be too amazing now? I don't know about you, but I had the same feeling when I first stepped into wilderness. I knew that for the first time I was doing something big, something different than majority of them do. Let me take you back to where it all started. So this is how our trek started, from a dense forest. It was a 40 minutes walk to our campsite, but I was so excited that I only felt 4 minutes of it. Clicking photos, wandering nature, and just walking. That's how we reached our first campsite, Jobra.